Hey y'all, today we're doing a very special holiday edition of Happy Hour with the Flying Longhorns, and we're gonna be making the wonderful Christmas market hot spiced wine called Gluhwein. Gluhwein translates to glow wine, and that represents the beautiful warm glow you get outside and inside as you walk around the Christmas markets of Europe, sipping on a nice mug of hot spiced wine. So let's get started. We'll start by adding in 3/4 of a cup of water into a small saucepan. You're also gonna add in 3/4 of a cup of sugar and 1 cinnamon stick. Give that a good stir, and you're gonna wanna bring it to a boil to allow the sugar to dissolve into the hot water to make a simple syrup. Okay, so my mixture of water, sugar, and a cinnamon stick has now come to a boil, and the sugar has dissolved into the water. What I'm gonna do now is reduce the heat to low and let it simmer. And I'm gonna add in the juice of 1 whole orange. So what I've done is I've cut up the orange, juiced it into this glass, which I'm gonna add into my mixture. Then you're also gonna go ahead and put in the orange peels, which I've put the cloves into. So I've taken 12 cloves, put them into the orange peels, and I'm gonna add them also into this simmering water, sugar, cinnamon stick, and orange juice mixture on the stove here. So after you do that, you're actually gonna let this simmer for about 30 minutes until it thickens up and forms a beautiful spiced syrup. All right, about 30 minutes have passed and I've got a beautiful flavored syrup here in my pot. And what you're gonna do at this point is just add in an entire bottle of red wine. You can use any red wine that you have hanging about the house that can go in here. It doesn't have to be extremely high quality because you will be mixing it in with these other beautiful flavors. Once you pour your wine in, you're gonna let it warm up. You're gonna get it kind of steaming, but you don't wanna let it really simmer or boil, because what that is gonna do is actually burn off the alcohol in the wine, and then you'll lose that glow vine. So what we're doing here, everything's in. We're just gonna go ahead and let this warm up, let the wine warm up a little bit, and then we'll be ready to serve. Once your Gluhwein has warmed up, you are ready to go. Go ahead and take a ladle, and avoiding your floating oranges and cinnamon sticks, you can go ahead and ladle some up into your favorite Christmas mug. Ooh, I can smell it. It smells delicious. And enjoy. Happy holidays.